Welcome to this video on defining air conditioning tonnage, exploring its journey from 19th century ice to modern thermodynamics. It's important to understand that tonnage does not equal physical weight. A 3-ton air conditioning unit, for example, does not weigh 6,000 pounds. Instead, tonnage measures cooling capacity. This number describes the rate of heat removal from a space over time. Engineers needed a translation tool. Before mechanical refrigeration, spaces were cooled with harvested ice. They created a standard to explain machine power to ice customers. 1 ton of AC equals the cooling power of melting 1 ton of ice in exactly 24 hours. Heat requires a metric, which is the British thermal unit, or BTU. 1 BTU is the energy needed to raise the temperature of 1 pound of water by 1 degree Fahrenheit. Phase changes consume energy. A machine uses 144 BTUs of heat energy to melt 1 pound of ice into water without changing the temperature. The mathematical derivation shows that 2,000 pounds of ice multiplied by 144 BTUs equals 288,000 total BTUs. Dividing this by 24 hours gives us 12,000 BTU per hour. Therefore, 1 ton equals 12,000 BTU per hour. Residential Capacity Standards Guide Unit Selection. For instance, a 1-ton unit with 12,000 BTU per hour suits a small studio, while a 5-ton unit with 60,000 BTU per hour is for a very large luxury home. Incorrect sizing presents dangers. Oversized units lead to short cycling, which cools the air but leaves humidity, making the air clammy. Undersized units run constantly without reaching the target temperature, wasting electricity and leading to premature wear. Tonnage acts as a simple global English for engineers, simplifying massive BTU numbers into manageable concepts understood worldwide. Modern technology shrinks the machine. Though a modern 3-ton unit may only weigh 200 to 300 pounds, its cooling capacity remains powerful. History shapes technology. By understanding the math behind air conditioning tonnage, you can master your climate control decisions. Remember, 1 ton is equal to 12,000 BTU per hour.